Hello everyone! Welcome to English class! We hope that you're ready as we are to start learning and have fun. Always remember, in English, you're the best! Hello students! Welcome to English class! For this week, we will discuss composing effective paragraphs. Here are the objectives. First, define paragraph. Second, explain the essential elements of an effective paragraph. Third, identify the basic structure of a paragraph. Fourth, organize a paragraph. And fifth, compose an effective paragraph. Before we begin with our discussion, let us have first a quick review. Read and synthesize information from the passage. Then, answer the question by choosing the letter of the correct answer. Listen as I read the passage. Tasting colors. People all over the world make tea. Tea is made with hot water and plants. The plants soak in hot water. The water takes the flavor of the plants. Some people drink tea right from the pot. Others refrigerate it first or add ice. Herbal tea comes from flowers, fruit, and herbs. Herbs are small plants. They have strong flavors and smells. There are many herbal teas. Two kinds are apple cinnamon and peppermint. Traditional tea is another type of tea. There is black tea and green tea. There also is white tea. All of them come from the same plant, but the leaves are picked at different times. Then the leaves are treated differently. This makes three different colors and taste. Now let's answer the following questions. Number 1. What pieces of information from the passage can you synthesize to understand that tea can be served hot or cold? A. Tea is made with plants. Some people add ice. B. People everywhere make tea. Some drink it from the pot. C. Herbal tea comes from herbs. Traditional tea is another type. And D. Some people drink tea from a teapot. Others refrigerate it or add ice. Number 2. What new idea can you form about traditional tea? A. It is easier to make. B. It tastes the same as herbal tea. C. There are 3 different kinds. And D. People usually serve it hot. Number 3. What can you tell about black tea and white tea? A. They come from different plants. B. They are herbal teas. C. They do not taste the same. D. They look the same as green tea. Number 4. What is the best summary of the passage? A. Tea is a delicious drink. Some people drink it right after it is made. B. Everybody makes tea. They use flowers, fruits, and herbs. C. There are many kinds of tea. They are all made with plants and hot water. And D. Tea is made from herbs. It comes in different colors. For our first activity, identify the topic sentence, supporting sentences, and concluding sentence in the following paragraph. Write your answer in the given graphic organizer. Listen as I read the paragraph. The German Shepherd, a breed of dog that originated in Northern Europe, performs many services for people. Once used mainly for herding sheep, German Shepherds today help policemen in tracing and capturing criminals. Also, These dogs often function as guards in stores, factories, and private houses. As seeing eye dogs, German Shepherds have earned respect for their keen, careful guiding of the blind. Intelligent and versatile, German Shepherds remain a popular breed of dog. For numbers 1 to 5, based from the paragraphs read, write the topic sentence, supporting sentence 1, 2, and 3, and the concluding sentence in the graphic organizer. Now let's check your answer. For topic sentence, the German Shepherd, a breed of dog that originated in Northern Europe, performs many services for people. Supporting sentence number 1. Once mainly used for herding sheep, German Shepherds today help policemen in tracing and capturing criminals. Supporting sentence number 2. Also, these dogs often function as guards in stores, factories, and private houses. Supporting sentence number 3. As seeing eye dogs, German Shepherds have earned respect for their keen, careful guiding of the blind. And for our concluding sentence, intelligent and versatile, German Shepherds remain a popular breed of dog. Amazing learners! You've got it all correctly. Some more activity. Let's analyze the statement. Determine if the statement is true or false. Check the corresponding column for your answer. Now let's check your answer. Very good, learners! You've got it all correctly. This video will guide you in the process of how to compose an effective paragraph. We will come across the basic structure of a paragraph and its essential elements that will provide you with learner-centered activities that will develop your writing skills. Now let's define what is a paragraph. A paragraph is a series of related sentences developing a central idea called topic. In order for a paragraph to be effective, it must begin with a topic sentence, have sentences that support the main idea of that paragraph, and maintain a consistent flow. Paragraph writing is an essential skill a student like you should develop. If you possess the skill, it will enhance your imaginative and critical thinking abilities, which are the qualities of the 21st century learners. Here are the basic structure of a paragraph. First is the topic sentence. It is a complete sentence that expresses the main idea of the paragraph. The position of the topic sentence is usually in the first sentence of a paragraph. A topic sentence at the beginning of a paragraph gives readers an idea of what they will read and helps them understand the paragraph more easily. Parts of a topic sentence: limited topic plus verb plus attitude, feeling, idea, opinion, or point of view. Example: the topic, rats. The topic sentence, through the centuries, rats have managed to survive all our efforts to destroy them. Second basic structure of a paragraph is the supporting sentences. They give details about the topic. They provide information by citing an example, evidence, relevant fact, reason, incident, and specific information. Example: supporting sentence number 1. We have poisoned and trapped them. Supporting sentence number 2. We have fumigated, flooded, and burned them. And supporting sentence number 3. We have tried germ warfare. Third basic structure of a paragraph is the concluding sentence. It signals the end of the paragraph and reminds the reader of the main idea. It summarizes the main points or restates the topic sentence in different words, and it never adds new information. Example: despite all our efforts, these enemies of ours continue to prove that they are the most indestructible pests. Let's also discuss the essential elements of paragraph. First, clear topic sentence. It is the most important sentence in a paragraph. It provides a general summary of the paragraph. Second is the unity. It means that all of the sentences in the paragraph are related to the topic sentence. The paragraph focuses solely on a single idea, point, or argument. Third is the coherence. The ideas must have a clear and logical relation to each other. A paragraph can become more coherent through the use of logical orders and signal devices. Fourth, adequate development. An effective paragraph is adequately developed when it describes, explains, and supports the topic sentence. For our activity 2, read each item carefully, then choose the letter of the best answer. Number 1. Which of the following is a part of an essential elements of a paragraph? A. Topic sentence. B. Transition signals. C. Supporting sentences. And D. Concluding sentences. Number 2. Which transition words or phrases signal a time connection? A. Above, next, besides. B. After, earlier, in the meantime. C. As a result, consequently, then. And D. Although, even though, on the contrary. Number 3. Which of these choices is true about the concluding sentence? A. It restates the topic sentence. B. It comes after the topic sentence. C. It provides an overview of the paragraph. And D. It gives detail to develop the topic sentence. Number 4. How to achieve coherence in paragraph writing? A. By focusing on a single topic. B. By using logically connected sentences. C. By giving relevant fact, reason, and examples. And D. By providing specific information that helps a reader understand the main idea. Number 5. Which of the following statements describe the sentence unity? A. All sentences discuss a single idea. B. All sentences support the main idea. C. All sentences in a paragraph are arranged logically. And D. All sentences in a paragraph are related to the topic sentence. Now for our third activity, choose one topic from the list below. From this topic, construct a topic sentence. Write it in the middle of the mind map. Here is the mind map. To further understand our lesson, read the following two paragraphs. The first column representing an effective paragraph, while the second column representing a non-effective paragraph. There is an explanation given afterward to explain their differences. Now for our final assessment, read and analyze the given question, then choose the letter of the best answer. Number 1. Which of the choices below is not the supporting sentence of the given topic sentence? African termites have beneficial uses. A. A type of termite has been found to improve the quality of the soil. B. These termites grow a fungus that helps in the decomposition of plant material in the soil. C. There are approximately 2,000 termite species, all of them varying in shape, size, and behavior. And D. The natives fry and eat these termites, for they are a good source of protein. Number 2. Which of the choices below is the appropriate supporting sentence of the given topic sentence? The giraffe is a very tall animal. A. Giraffes have 3 hearts. B. Giraffes are very quiet and calm. C. Giraffes reach leaves as high as tree. And D. Giraffe must bend very low to be able to drink water. Number 3. Choose the best topic sentence for the following supporting sentences. During the day, tourists enjoy walking on the white sand that sparkles in the sunlight. Tourists indulge in adrenaline-pumping activities such as parasailing, parasailing, windsurfing, and kiteboarding. At night, the beaches come alive with fascinating sand sculptures. A. Boracay beaches have lots of attractions. B. Boracay is famous for its breathtaking white sand. C. Boracay is the best place for eliciting water activities. And D. Boracay is one of the hottest beach destinations in Asia. Number 4. Which of the following is not the supporting sentence of the following topic sentence? Tristan is a very energetic student. A. He is a member of a church choir. B. He is the president of the student council. C. He is also a member of the varsity basketball team. And D. He is a member of almost all organizations and clubs in his school. Number 5. Choose the best topic sentence for the paragraph. Swimming strengthens many areas of the body like arms, legs, torso, and neck. Swimming helps maintain a healthy weight, healthy heart, and lungs. A. Swimming is a lot of fun. B. Swimming is a great workout. C. Swimming is my favorite sport. And D. Swimming is beneficial to health. Before we end, don't forget to write a reflection. Compose a paragraph about your significant learning today in your e-journal. Thank you for participating in today's class. I hope that you learned something from our lesson. Remember these words from Jim Rohn. Reading is essential for those who seek to rise above the ordinary.
I gave you my heart.